Good morning, good morning, good morning. I almost forgot to record this morning. I am doing something different. Before I tell you what I'm doing different, I just want to say thank you, subscribers. I know I have not been uploading videos the way I used to. I am not coming before you as often as I used to, but yet you still support me. And I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for whatever you do to support me and this channel. I really appreciate it. And if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed or joined the June G family, go ahead, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. Now, what am I doing differently? I am preparing to go to get my hair, my Sisterlocks, my locks, retightened. And usually when I'm doing that, I'll come before you and I'm usually taking out my braids. But today, I don't have braids. Today, I will not be braiding, banding, or shampooing my hair before my retightening. However, I will get my hair shampooed professionally. Not only that, I'll get my hair shampooed by someone else for the first time in over 4 years. I don't know the last time someone else shampooed my hair. And I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to a day of pretty much, let's just say self-care, the way Oprah would say it. Self-care. That's what I'm looking forward to today. I am going to have Kim shampoo my hair, retighten my hair, and of course, you know I love that massage that she gives me. I realized this morning that God is just so good. I was watching some videos after I did my morning devotion, watching some videos of a young man that was on America's Got Talent. His name is spelled Joh, capital Ge, pronounced George. And I tell you, he just did my heart good with his worship songs that he was singing. I just kept going from video to video to video and just watching and listening and just thinking about the goodness of God in my life. You see, in a few days, I will celebrate another birthday. And I've been excited about this birthday because my husband told me to just clear off a few days. And right now, I don't know what we're going to do, but I'm looking forward to it. That someone else cares that much about me. God has blessed me with some amazing people in my life. My family, my friends, my subscribers. Yeah, he has. He has been great. So I'm going to get ready to go about my day. And what you just saw me do to my hair is all I've done to my hair today. And I'm looking forward to just some self-care. Because after getting my hair done, hopefully I get to see some of my family members today. I am going to drop in if time permits because I also have an appointment to get a manicure and pedicure. And I will share a little bit of that with you as always. And just share as much of my birthday celebration with you as possible. Maybe not in the same video, but I do plan to share. Have a great day. This is a sister who loves her locks, I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God. God has been good to me. And if you stop and think about it, you'll realize that God's been good to you as well. You see, He woke us up this morning, started us on our way. He gave me the mind to worship Him this morning. Give Him some time, because He's certainly given me time. For I'm getting ready to celebrate my birthday. And believing that there are some people in this world besides me who believe that they're happy that I've been born. Have a great day. I forgot to do my 360. Show you what my hair looks like now. After that, what you just saw, that's what I did to my hair. And does it need retightening? It certainly does. I'm just going to show you the back. And I'll come back after my retightening, or probably during. Have a wonderful day. I made it to my destination. I got held up by some geese in the road. It was so funny, but everybody had to stop because they were taking their time going by. And so, yeah, I'm here on time. See you in a little bit. I'm here. I'll be there soon. Preparing for my shampoo. You will not see it because I will experience every moment, every finger massage, and everything else. And I'll just have to tell you about it later because I will not be sharing this. So it really did happen. What you laughing at, Kim?
You and your camera.
You can't be finished. Oh. No, what's that one?
Just tell me for that one.
Oh, no. That was tropical. I don't know what that one is.
This is tropical.
Oh, that's tropical. Okay.
So
And the first one was?
strawberry cheesecake.
Okay, okay. One, two. That one must be eucalyptus. Okay. That's secret.
Mm-hmm.
I'll take number 1. You gonna miss it on me? You gonna miss me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That one was strawberry cheesecake, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's a whole new experience.
With space for 15 place settings, this dishwasher offers a 1-hour wash cycle and an adjustable.
Now you smell like dessert.
Oh. I gotta stay away from everybody. They might try to eat me.
I'm like, oh, you smell so good.
Will it come out of a misting bottle? Or is it kind of thick?
No, it's not thick.
Okay. It does smell good. Yeah.
It's delicious.
Mm. You're not finished, right?
Yeah.
I think you missed a spot, like right here. Mm. Mm.
That's enough now.
Well, you can stop, but it'll never be enough.
Make your rotation. It's a video.
Okay. Oh.
I used to wait to run my dishwasher till it was super full. Now I run it daily. Weekdays.
Now turn to the back.
You might think that's wasteful, but it's not.
Now shake it.
80% less water than hand wash, saving $130 on utilities. Cascade. Beer to dish.
Wait, do that again.
Oh, I gotta do it again.
Yes.
That was a good experience. Very good. You saw that she is now using a spray. I walked out and forgot to ask how much the spray costs. I'll just get one the next time. I was in there for 3 hours and 11 minutes. Didn't take too much time. It was just wonderful. All that I experienced. That shampoo was to live for. Oh yes, it was to live for. It was so good. I really appreciate Kim and all that she does. I know I pay for it, but I do believe I get my money's worth. I really do. I hope that everyone could have a loctician to care for their hair the way that Kim cares for mine. See you in a little bit. Good evening. I decided I'd come back and let you see what my hair really looks like after my retightening. Look at this. great. The only thing I can say that I miss is my wonderful braid out after my retightening, because you know I always braid and band, and then I have my waves in my hair. So tonight I am going to braid my hair, and I'll take it out in the morning, and that will be the beginning of another video. Have a great evening.